Hello guys, my name is Chanu SAP FICO and Simple Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you one job update regarding R2R position, and it's a 6 months contract in Dentusi Aegis Company Private Limited. And just to take a look at this email address, and please send your resume to this email address. It's completely end user related position. So take a look at ruby@global consultants.in. You can send it your resume to this email address. Now let's look into the profile. So the position is senior executive and PLR2R, and it's a completely 6 months contract based job, and the company is a Dentisu Agents Network, and it is located in Bangalore. So about this company details also given, when it was founded and what is the revenue and operating income, net income. So number of employees around 40,000 employees, and the job location should be in Bangalore, and the role is a senior executive GL on R2R. Job type is 6 months contract, and you can also see these are all job descriptions, like you should have CA intermediate, ICWA, CA qualified. You should have 5 to 9 years of experience in BPO, KPO, or any industry experience is required. So experience in working on captive BPO environment in GL reconciliation is a must and should, and you should have good communication and interpersonal skills. Receptive the escalations and suggestions on areas of improvement. So these are all skills you should have while applying for this position. So key accountabilities also be given, and these are all general accountabilities. So many things has been given. So you can send your resume to this email address ruby@global consultants.in, and you can also talk with Ruby. Mobile number also be given. So this is the job update guys today. So thank you very much for your support. This is Chanu SK signing off.